How to Organize a Peaceful Protest, a Comprehensive Guide. In today's world, peaceful protests are a powerful tool for expressing opinions and advocating for change. Whether you're fighting for social justice, environmental conservation, or any other cause close to your heart, organizing a peaceful protest can be an effective way to make your voice heard. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential steps to plan, promote, and execute a successful peaceful protest. 1. Identify your cause and goals. Before organizing a protest, clearly define the issue you're addressing and the specific goals you hope to achieve. Are you raising awareness, seeking policy changes, or showing solidarity with the community? Having a clear objective will help shape your message and rally support. 2. Research and understand the law. Knowledge of local laws and regulations is crucial. Research the necessary permits, restrictions on public gatherings, and your rights as a protester. Contact local authorities or legal experts to ensure compliance and avoid legal complications. Remember, a peaceful protest must adhere to the law to maintain its integrity and legitimacy. 3. Assemble a planning team. Organizing a protest requires teamwork. Assemble a diverse group of individuals who are passionate about the cause. Assign roles such as logistics coordinator, media liaison, and safety officer. This team will help with planning, outreach, and managing the event. 4. Choose the right time and place. Selecting an appropriate location and time is key to maximizing visibility and impact. Consider choosing a symbolic site, such as a government building or a relevant public space. The timing of your protest can also influence participation. Weekends or holidays may attract more attendees. Ensure the location can safely accommodate the expected crowd. 5. Develop a clear message and slogan. Craft a concise and powerful message that encapsulates the essence of your cause. Create a slogan that is easy to remember and chant. This will help unify the protesters and make your message more memorable to the public and media. 6. Create informative and engaging materials. Prepare signs, banners, and flyers that clearly convey your message. Use impactful visuals and concise text. Additionally, create informational materials that outline the purpose of the protest, key facts about the issue, and ways people can get involved. 7. Leverage social media and digital platforms. Promote your protest through social media, email newsletters, and websites. Create event pages on platforms like Facebook and Eventbrite to keep attendees informed. Use hashtags to increase visibility and encourage participants to share posts. Engaging with local influencers and media can also help amplify your message. 8. Coordinate logistics and safety measures. Plan for all logistical aspects, including transportation, parking, restrooms, and access to water. Establish a safety plan to address potential issues, such as counter-protests or medical emergencies. Consider arranging for trained peacekeepers to help manage the crowd and maintain order. 9. Engage with the media. A well-crafted press release can attract media attention. Send it to local news outlets, radio stations, and online publications. Designate a spokesperson to communicate with the media and provide interviews. Clear, consistent messaging is essential for conveying the purpose and goals of the protest. 10. Execute the protest peacefully and respectfully. On the day of the protest, ensure everything runs smoothly by following the planned itinerary. Start with a rally or speeches to energize the crowd. Encourage peaceful behavior and remind participants of the protest's purpose. Use chants, music, and performances to maintain a positive and engaging atmosphere. 11. Document the event. Capture photos, videos, and testimonials to document the protest. This content can be used for post-event promotion and to further your cause. Share the highlights on social media and with local news outlets to extend the reach of your message. 12. Follow up and continue advocacy. After the protest, follow up with participants and supporters. Send thank you messages and updates on the cause. Continue your advocacy efforts through petitions, meetings with policymakers, and community events. Keep the momentum going by engaging with the community and staying active on social media. Conclusion. Organizing a peaceful protest requires careful planning, coordination, and a commitment to nonviolence. By following these steps, you can create a powerful and impactful event that raises awareness and drives change. Remember, the strength of a peaceful protest lies in its ability to bring people together and amplify voices in a respectful and lawful manner. For more resources on activism and civic engagement, together, we can make a difference. This video emphasizes the importance of peaceful methods and provides practical tips for organizing a protest. It incorporates keywords and phrases such as peaceful protest, organizing a protest, and civic engagement. How to organize a peaceful protest, a step-by-step guide. Listen up. Learn how to organize a peaceful protest with our comprehensive guide. From identifying your cause and obtaining permits to promoting your event and ensuring safety, we cover all the essential steps to make your protest successful and impactful. Whether you're advocating for social justice, environmental change, or any other important cause, this video will help you plan and execute a peaceful protest that resonates. Stay informed, stay peaceful, and make your voice heard.